Listen, we have gone through this before in a previous cooking video. I do not like relish. I don't like sweet relish. I don't like none of that. I like pickles. I like the sour tang that comes from pickles. I like the fact of I just don't like that sliminess. It's not, that's not cool. So I'm going to take a couple of my pickles here, and I am going to dice them and add them to my mixture. If you have sweet relish or if you use relish, that is fine. If you use capers, that is fine. It's just relish is a no-go over on these parts. Let me tell y'all, if you have not tried just dicing you some pickles, giving you a couple of drops of that pickle juice, oh my God, it's so much better than the relish. Ooh, I could just taste it all through my palate, all up and down my taste buds. Yes. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe.